Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. This is day 29 of the Practice What I Preach series, and in this workout, I'm just doing a push workout. So the workout would play on the screen. And today, I just want to talk about random things because why not? Because people should, listen to random stories. So why not tune in and listen to something? So today, I just want to talk about the random stories that I get as working as a physio. So, as you might know, I've been working as a physio for 5 years now, and I've been working in this kind of environment for about 10 years now. So, it's been a hot minute, and there's a lot of stories that I hear and I've experienced that might sound. For me, it sounds mediocre and like, standard day to day, but for everyone else, it can be a bit, intense. So, let's see. What's the worst thing that you can do as a patient? I think that's probably something that kind of ticks me off every now and again. So, I've got patients coming in all the time, and uh, the worst thing you could do is just being rude. So, if you're super arrogant or into yourself, then ideally not a great thing to bring to a health professional who's trying to fix you or try to help you. So as a physio, I deal with a lot of people in pain, and I understand you're in pain, but it's not an excuse to be a dickhead to me. So just random. I'm just thinking of random cases. So I've had people come in. Super rude, super late to me. As soon as you come into the room and start to consult with me, I'd be like, "Oh, so how can I help you today?" And then they just reply, "Oh, you're the health professional, you're the expert, you should tell me." So I'm like, "Bro, no, I don't know, because it's your body, your life. I don't know exactly what's going on. That's why I'm asking you, and it's my job to ask you these questions because I can't help you unless you meet me halfway and tell me what's going on." So after that, that patient just went on about like, "Oh, I'm in this pain, I'm in this pain, I'm in this pain," and then, being the great time that we're in right now, he told me what his diagnosis was, and it was incorrect, obviously, but because he had access to Dr. Google, he decided to self-diagnose himself through Google, which is not a great idea, and he was telling me and insisting that I treat him for this certain issue, which it definitely wasn't related at all. So, I don't want to say exactly the specific case, but he pretty much thought he had, like, some sort of, I don't know, something really bad, something terrible, and it didn't have it. So, yeah, long story short, if you come to us for help, please be open minded. Sometimes you're right, but most of the time you're coming to us because you're asking for our expertise, and we do want to help you. But if you're a dickhead to us, then we're less inclined to want to help you. So no, so I'm not going to go to my mechanic and tell him off that my phalange is not working in the wheel when I have no idea what the hell I'm talking about. So please, ideally, don't do that with your health professional, and don't do that to other people, because being a dickhead is not a good thing. So that's my little rant for today. I hope you enjoyed the workout and the rant. If you like this kind of video, please consider leaving a like, and if you want to hear more stories, then consider subscribing and enjoy watching me work out. I hope you're having a good day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.